Explore Maui, offering a unique land and soul-based experience of Hawaii, focusing on natural wonders, ancestral knowledge, and the spirit of Aloha. Enhance your understanding of the islands and its culture through our holistic educational approach. For a deeper dive into Hawaii's inner journey, check out our Hawaii Immersion course. Click the link below to buy the course and immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Hawaii. This comprehensive program will dive into Hawaiian language basics called Olelo Hawaii, history, mythology, and family-centered education content linked to place-based learning. With over 31 lessons available for self-paced learning, you'll also have access to 4 live weekly sessions aimed at initiating your Hawaiian language journey. Click the link below to start your Hawaii Immersion course. Here are the top 5 words you'll hear in Hawaii. Number 1, aloha. Aloha can be seen as 2 words, alo and ha. Alo means presence. As my kumu says, come through the front door so we can greet you properly. Aloha is about presence, face to face. The next word we see is ha, the sharing of breath, or the sharing of the divine. Aloha means face to face with what is sacred. Number 2, mahalo. Mahalo provides us with the word maha. Maha means to rest or to be at ease. When you're at rest and ease, it means you're in gratitude. Presence leads to gratitude. When you have aloha, face-to-face presence, now you have gratitude. In English, thank you implies exchange. In Olelo Hawaii, mahalo is a condition of being present in gratitude. And number 4, we see haole. Ha-ole. Ha, breath, ole, without. Haole is without breath. In contrast, we have the word hau'oli, which means to rejoice, joy, happiness. There's a subtlety in the Hawaiian language that requires your attention to listen carefully. And number 5, ahuiho. In Hawaii, there's never a goodbye, but until we meet again. And that's what ahuiho means, until we meet again. A quote by Carl Jung says, "The meeting of 2 personalities is like the contact of 2 chemical substances. If there's any reaction, both are transformed." He wi, he ni no. A question, a query. For you as a listener, where would you see these words here on the island? We went over aloha, mahalo, kama'aina, ha'ole, hau'oli, and ahuiho. Aloha, presence. Mahalo, gratitude. Kama'aina, discovery. Hau'ole, a disregard for the sacred. And hau'oli, what are you grateful for today? Upon reflection, when we are present, we have gratitude. When we are in a condition of aloha, face to face with the divine, we are in peace. We are in maha. When you are in peace, you're able to discover. You're able to become familiar with. You're able to become ma'a, to be kama'aina, to be a child of the land. When you're a child of the land, it is difficult to disregard the sacred, to be without breath, to have the ha'ole. Instead, you are hau'oli. You are grateful for the day of presence and gratitude. And this we return to over and over again. Ahuiho. As we wrap up our journey through Explore Maui, we hope you've experienced the true essence of Ohana and the island's spirit. This podcast has offered a unique perspective on Maui, focusing on both its natural wonders and timeless wisdom of aloha. Whether you're a homeschool family seeking real-world experience, a visitor looking to enrich your trip, or a long-time resident seeking fresh inspiration, Explore Maui has your go-to resource. Before we part ways, we have exciting news. Are you eager to dive deeper into the heart of Hawaii? Our upcoming Hawaii Immersion online course and webinars offer a unique opportunity to explore the profound depths of the Pacific Gem. Click the link below to discover about Hawaii's language, culture, and cosmic traditions as you've never seen them before.